Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our Google Ads series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can go and watch them. So in today's lecture, we'll be discussing about networks in Google Ads. So without further ado, let's get started. So let's go to the Google Ads official documentation, what they say about Google network. Okay. So all of the places where your ads can appear, including Google sites, websites that partner with us, and other placements like mobile phone apps. The Google network is divided into groups to give you more control over where you'd like your ad to appear. So in Google Ads, we have two types of networks. Okay. Number one is search network and second one is display network. So search network appears in Google search result pages, other Google sites like maps and shopping, and search sites that partner with Google to show ads. Display network appears Google sites like YouTube, Blogger, and Gmail, plus thousands of partnering websites across the internet. Okay, so let's go to the Google Ads dashboard and see. So we can see in the network section, we have two network, as I already told you, search network, display network, and you can either check this mark or you can uncheck this. Okay, so let's get to know what the search partners are actually. So Google Search Partner are sites in the search network that partner with Google to show ads on their search result to help you get a similar cost per conversion as you get on the search network. Some clicks on the search partner network may cost more or less than your Google search maximum CPC bid. Search partner performance won't impact your search quality score. So while creating a new campaign, if you are trying to create a dedicated search campaign, then I would definitely suggest you not to select display network. So it will show your ads in YouTube and some display network options. Okay, so I would definitely suggest you not to select this one, but you can check this for testing purpose, like if you want to test it for 2 weeks, and if you don't get any good results from search network, then you can uncheck this option. Okay, so for testing purpose you can select this option. Okay, so hopefully you have a clear understanding on networks of Google Ads. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you like it. If you like our video, you can subscribe our channel, you can like our page. Yeah, so that's it. You have a good day. Bye bye.